Okay, so today I'm making a grab bar for my boat. As you can see, I've already messed up the first piece. Tried a 8-inch offset, and I don't think it's going to be enough. That was according to the graph. I marked my center. This is a 10-foot stick, so I marked my center at situated here, 5 foot, and I got a mark at 18 inches from center on both sides, and we're going to try that today. If not, I'll be buying a new stick. So you lock it in right at your mark, if you can see there. And 1 inch is hard to bend, so you got to put your weight on it. You got to step on the foot hold, and I don't know if doing this on dirt is ideal, but whatever. Finish the bend. It comes just shy, about 2 inches of center mark. I'll get that back to 90. So the chart probably 16 would have been the ideal mark, but that'll give me an extra 4 inches in the middle. It'll just be wider. Okay, you're gonna want to keep your 90. So that's our mark. It's on a flat surface, so we know we're close. And then try to get it straight with itself. And you want to bend back into itself. Tighten that up. Hopefully I can get a nice round curve. The second bend seems to be a little harder to stay put. It's not quite there. There's one really wide grab bar. It's about chest high to 6-foot person. And straighten that up, and that's what we got. Let's get that. A little twisted. Let's see. Bring that one down. It's close. You got you really wide. And 16, as you can see, 16-inch offset, which was there and there, had no bend in the middle. Maybe I should have stuck with my 8. The center pretty much got rubbed off, but it's still center. And I can definitely shorten this and use it. 5 foot, and I got a mark of 18 inches from center on both sides. We're going to try that today. It's not fine. Lock it in right at the mark. There. One is hard to bend, so you got to put your weight on it. Just step on the foot. I don't know if it's doing this on dirt. Alright, get it. Okay, I got the one I'm going to put in my fisher, and I wanted it 40 inches or right below my belt, so that's where I'm going to cut. I got both sides marked, and I'm going to cut it. Okay, so we're testing my new grab handle I just built. I've got my tiller handle on, safety leash, and there it is. It's a little wide. Wish it was skinnier, but that's how it turned out. Nice and solid, so I'm gonna grab the tiller. Let's see how it goes. Engine's warmed up. Comes up on plane real quick. Oh, that's so much better. Oh, that's nice. Boy, there's a lot of shad in this water. I mean, a lot.